welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna do unboxing for Swag-i-Noor box. It is basically a skincare box and it retails for $3.99 and I got it from scriber.com. As I have told you in my another video as well, is a platform where you get lots of subscription boxes, lots of different kind of subscription boxes, be it makeup, be it skincare or food boxes. So there are lots of different boxes. You can just go to one site and if for what kind of box you want, and you can just subscribe it from there. So without wasting any time, let's just open this and see what's inside it. So this is how the Swag-i-Noor box looks like. This is the packaging. It's a white box with some butterflies over it and it says Swag-i-Noor. So let's just open and see the product. So first I see some info. I have one info card and one this little detail. Alright, so all the product information and their prices are written, and on the back of it all the do's and don'ts and direction to use the products are written. So let's just check out one by one what I have. So the first thing I can see is a sheet mask, and this is 3-step detox treatment. This is really nice. You have cleanser, oil to foam cleanser, then on second step you have a mask, and in third step you have a night cream. So it's like a really nice skincare. If you're traveling somewhere for just one night, you can just take this and you're good to go for your skincare, your nighttime skincare. I really like the concept that you're getting like 3-step skincare in a mask form. So this is from the brand called beauuGreen, and this one retails for 315 rupees. So let's go to the next thing. So next thing is another mask. Basically you'll be getting lots of different kinds of skincare masks. It's a very good box if you're very much into sheet mask and skincare. You can try like different kinds of sheet masks by subscribing this box. And yeah, I had a good experience with their previous box. I don't know for which month it was, but it was a really good box as well. Anyway, so this is collagen beauuGreen essence mask. This is a 3D mask. It has vegetable collagen extract for skin vitality, and it is, I think, Korean because the language seems Korean. So yeah, this beauuGreen essence mask collagen retails for 100 rupees. So that's that. Now moving on to the next mask. Packaging looks nice. This is by Lime's face mask, real brightening and glow up. Beauty should be fun. Yes, it is from the brand called Lime's, and again it seems Korean as per language. I don't know. It is some Asian language. I don't know. It's Chinese, it's Korean, it's Japanese. I don't know, but yeah, it is some Asian language. So this is real brightening and glow up mask. So this is this, and this Lime's real brightening glow up face mask retails for 200 rupees. Moving on to next mask. This is by the brand called Coony, and this is aloe essence mask. As summers are approaching, summers are coming, I think this will be a very good mask to use. This is made in Korea, I can see, so definitely this is Korean. And the language also seems Korean, and this one retails for 120 rupees. Right now I have 4 masks from this box. Now the last thing I have is this is a night cream, and so this is basically Sachi Illuminate Clarifying Under Eye Gel. It is induced with saffron oil. So I really can't tell you the price of this product because it's not written here. And I think there is some mistake because in my info they said that I have Sachi Rituals night cream. I don't know whether it's eye cream or the regular night cream. I think it's the same. If it's the same, then it retails for 495 Indian rupees. Yeah, I think it is under eye cream also. I think it is under eye gel only because it says it hydrates and replenish under eye skin, so I think it's the same. So this is basically an under eye cream, and it is like a gel based cream. You can see it's a clear gel. So yeah, so this retails for 495 Indian rupees. So this box is like really nice if you're into skincare, and you're getting 4 masks and 1 skincare product, which is amazing in 399. The actual cost of this box comes out to be 1230 rupees, and you're just paying almost 400, which is amazing. And if you put a picture of your box to Instagram and tag them, you can also win next subscription of the box. Yeah, from the Instagram. So that's really nice. So that was it. That was a quick unboxing of a skincare box, and I really like their mask. I try different brands and they're always really nice on skin. So I really like the sheet masks. So that's it for the video. I hope you really liked this video and it was helpful for you guys. And if you want to subscribe for this box, then just go to the description and go to the links I have provided and subscribe. So yeah, that's it. I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.